Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. A very warm welcome to your physics class. And this is your physics teacher again from United Public School. And in our last class, we have discussed about the rayon, right? Remember, and the preparation of rayon. What is a rayon? First, we have discussed that. Just recall it. It is an artificial silk. Rayon is synthetic fibers. It is also called as artificial silk because it is obtained from because it has silk like qualities, right? And it is a prepared from wood pulp. Rayon prepared from wood pulp, though it is obtained from natural source, that is wood pulp. It is called as man-made fibers, right? But it is called as man-made fibers. And here is our application, right? Bed sheets, carpets and cloths can be prepared from rayon by combining rayon with some other fibers. So remember the preparation of rayon. When the wood pulp, as I said, rayon is prepared from wood pulp. When the wood pulp over here, when the wood pulp is subjected to various chemical, then we form like viscose solution like this, the thick solution blue in color. When we transfer this solution to sulfuric acid, here is our transverse liquid, that is sulfuric acid. When we transfer this solution to sulfuric acid using syringe, you can see the needle syringe, okay, needle, by using syringe or the spinneret, then we will obtain the fibers, the rayon fibers, okay. And in application we will produce something to produce something, we will combine rayon with some fibers, right? Why we will combine, why it is necessary? So our today's topic is about on that only, our activity 5. Why do we combine fibers? Why? See, for example, students, when you go to your near shops to buy clothes or the ready-made garments, then what you will observe? Yes, of course, first of all, you will observe the brand label. Okay, by seeing brand label only, we can see that the quality is good or not, right? So on brand label, what you will notice, record the percentage of different mention on the label, right? What you will notice over here, you have a brand label, right? On this, what you will notice, that here to 65 percentage of polyester and 35 percentage of rayon, something like will notice, which means polyester plus rayon, the cloth which is present inside it, right? So it contain, the cloth contain polyester and rayon, the combination of these two cloth is present. So we will notice that, right? And some other also you can notice that you may find rayon mixed with wool and cotton, polyester mixed with cotton and wool, and nylon is mixed with polyester, okay. Why do we combine this? Here we have a new term, that is polyester, right? We have not discussed it at yet. In our further class we will discuss, okay. So why do we combine this? What is the process? Some questions are arriving over here. Let us see. Any synthetic fiber can be combined with one, two or more other fibers are called blending. So what is blending? Blending means combining synthetic fiber with any other fibers, okay? Which means blending name indicating that the nature of it. Blending means mixing, combining is nothing but blending. So we are, when we combine synthetic fiber with any other fiber, combine with any other two fibers, then it will call blendings, right? So natural and synthetic fibers are blend after blend for preparing better fibers. So we have to blend, right? So if we blend natural and synthetic fiber, then we will get better fabric, okay. And a blend does not simply means alternating threads of cotton and polyester. It is a unique different texture can be created through blending. So blending का मतलब यही नहीं है कि alternation. Blending means हम लोग दो fibers use करते हैं. So cloth कैसा बनाते? Fibers we will joint like this fibers, right? Fibers, by jointing fibers we will create fabric, ठीक है. ब्लेंडिंग में क्या करते हैं हम? एक पॉलिस्टर, फॉर एग्जांपल वी आर combining polyester and cotton, then एक polyester एक cotton, एक polyester एक cotton, like this the alternation will come, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक, तो alternation will come, right? So blending का मतलब यही नहीं है कि alternation of cotton fibers रहते, it is also a unique different texture will also created by this process of blending. And you know, when fibers are combined with another fiber, certain qualities of first fibers will combine with the certain qualities of other fibers, and it will give right a blended fabrics, right? And this poses the best qualities of both, as I said. When a fiber is combined with another fiber, right, a new fabric will form. That fabric is known as blended fabric, right? So why we'll do to obtain best qualities? This combination helps us. If fiber A has certain best quality of A, fiber B has certain best quality of B, right? These qualities of best qualities of these fibers, when we combine, then we will get these best qualities. These best qualities we will get this in this fabric, right? विच मीन्स दोनों के बेस्ट क्वालिटीज हम लोग को एक में होना है, तो उसके लिए हम कंबाइन करते. द ब्लेंडिंग हेल्प्स इन गेटिंग बोथ द बेस्ट क्वालिटीज इन वन फैब्रिक. What and blending helps us to reduce the limitations of both fibers. So it not only it helps in getting best qualities, it also helps in getting disadvantage bad qualities of losing bad qualities of those. So blending helps us in removal of bad qualities. It helps is in obtaining good qualities and helps in removal of bad qualities. For example, see, cotton and polyester. When we blend cotton and polyester, कॉटन इज कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर एंड रिंकल. बट कॉटन का एक खासियत है, वो कंफर्टेबल रहता है लेकिन रिंकल मतलब जुफ्ते आ जाते. कॉटन के कपड़े पे जल्दी जुफ्ते आ जाते बोलते, राइट? सो कॉटन क्लॉथ इज कंफर्टेबल बट एट द सेम टाइम इट हैज़ रिंकल. सो एक फ़ायदा है, एक नुकसान है, ठीक है? तो जब ये कॉटन का पॉलिस्टर, तो पॉलिस्टर में क्या है? पॉलिस्टर की खासियत क्या है? पॉलिस्टर वोंट गेट व्रिंकल, इट इज़ व्रिंकल फ्री. बट पॉलिस्टर उतना कंफर्टेबल नहीं रहता जितना कि कॉटन रहता, राइट? Okay, I agree. The polyester is also comfortable, but compared to cotton, it is not that much of comfortable, right? So it has one disadvantage, it has one advantage, right? So everything in this world has both a quality and good quality and bad quality, right? सब कोई भी perfect नहीं है. Everyone has a good quality as well as bad quality. So in this also, cotton has a good quality as well as bad, and polyester has a good quality as well as bad. So when we combine these both, then what you will get? A fabric that contain these good qualities of cotton and these good qualities of polyester, right? The fabric we will get the good qualities, that is comfortable and wrinkle free, right? To obtain such things we have to do blending, we have to combine it. And it not only it give us a expected need, it also helps in removal of bad qualities. It helps in limitations of bad qualities, right? So this is our end product. So the end product is comfortable and wrinkle free fabric, right? And cotton shrink in wash while polyester generally does not. और आपको पता है और एक डिसएडवांटेज है कॉटन का, क्या? कॉटन श्रिंक होता है. श्रिंक का मतलब क्या है? गेटिंग स्मॉल इन साइज. कॉटन का कपड़ा जल्दी खींचा जाता बोलते ना, इसलिए आप लोग कपड़े सिलाते वक्त क्या करते हैं? टेलर को एक साइज दो साइज बड़ा बड़ा रखने के लिए कहते हैं ना, राइट? तो कॉटन क्लॉथ गेट्स श्रिंक वाइल वॉशिंग, ठीक है? while while this polyester not get shrink. So polyester धोने पे shrink नहीं होता but cotton होता. So in order to avoid this shrinkness, we have to combine this cotton with this polyester. Then you will combine this in equal ratio, in proper ratio. मतलब ratio number of this should be equal, right? In proper ratio you have to combine. Then you will get a shrink free. Sorry, I don't say it as shrink. You will get a good fabric which is up to our needs. Okay. So when a shrink of cotton is combined to the polyester of polyester, then we will get a cloth which is not get shrink at that extent, at large extent. At somewhat extent it will get. For example, shrinkness is the the end product was up to 80% or 90%, it won't get shrink, but up to 10% it will get shrink, because the cotton won't lose his nature completely. He lose his nature up to some extent. When we do something, it completely won't lose his nature. The nature of its cotton, pure cotton, is only shrink. कपड़ा खींचे जाने का ही उसकी खासियत भी रहती है, एक डिसएडवांटेज भी रहता है उसका, लेकिन उसका नेचर ही तो यही है ना, तो उसका नेचर तो पूरा नहीं छोड़ सकता. तो अप टू सम एक्सटेंट, अप टू लिटिल बिट एक्सटेंट, इट विल गेट एक्सटेंट shrink. So the resultant material does not shrink a large extent when compared with a pure cotton fabric, right? As I said, and the more the percentage of natural fiber in blends of fibers, the more would be the comfortable skin. Okay? And when natural fibers contribute to the fabrics, it allows the skin to breathe easily. Also, natural fibers are generally free from irritational chemicals. As natural fibers means it is natural, it is free from chemicals, so it allows the skin to breathe easily. So what that statement means, when we combine natural fiber with synthetic fiber, right? So when we combine these both fibers, one should be a natural, one should be a synthetic, right? So when we combine, if the ratio, the number of it is more, ठीक है, the number of it is more compared to the number of it is, then we will get a fabric which is very comfortable, right? Which is very comfortable to skin, which means if natural fibers are more, natural fibers are free from chemicals, so it can helps allow us the skin to breathe easily, while synthetic fibers are man-made and it has many chemicals, so this enables it will create some irritation on the skin. So overall, my point is to say combining fibers are advantageous to us. Combining fibers helps us to gain best qualities and to remove bad qualities. And I am saying that if we use natural fibers more in quantity, then it will be more comfortable to skin. Okay. So students, by this we have completed our activity 5. Okay. In our next class, we will discuss about acrylic, inshallah. And students, your today's homework was this one question, only one question. Write it by your own. Why do we combine fibers? As we discussed in our today's class, just answer this question in 3 to 4 lines in your own words. Okay. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.